Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, not as seeing on the snippet for next week's episode, uTirelo sitting with Ubaba Mseleku and saying ukuthi uMpumelelo udla imali nentombi eThekwini, saying that he's slacking with maintaining the baby and that he doesn't do nothing for her. Guys, wait a minute. You telling me ukuthi uTirelo sat in front of Ubaba Mseleku with her man beside her and agreed ukuthi she wants to continue things at Mpumelelo. Obviously, they were speaking in light of them paying lobola for her. She agreed to all of that knowing ukuthi this guy is not even supporting ingane yakhe kahle. Never mind not doing anything for her. Hi guys, and there's no way ukuthi Mpumelelo adanamali guys, because uTirelo herself, she says it ukuthi I know ukuthi it's not ukuthi adanamali, unayo imali, but he's busy bashering amantombazana wase TikTok, amantombazana se Instagram, uwabhecha ngemali that he's supposed to be maintaining ingane ngayo. Now my question is guys, if he is struggling ukondla ingane le that he spends some sort of time with, what about ingane zikaVuyokazi? Do you think they're getting a sense from Mpumelelo's money? Hi, guys. And it is girls, when they see Mpumelelo, what is it that they see in him? uTirelo Bandla, she still has an opportunity to run away because she still has one child, but Kelly, her heart is doing her dirty because they inhliziyo yakhe. At this point, I'm just like, guys, we need to stop making this excuse yokuthi inhliziyo ayiphakelwa in yeyi izokhola inhliziyo izophola someday in the future. But this, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.